All right, this is the second lesson, notes for 4-2 for Math 7 in Unit 4. So in our first lesson, we looked at solving and checking one-step equations. This one is all about solving and stepping two-step equations. So you'll notice in the first lesson, every single equation that you looked at had only one thing preventing the variable from being by itself, hence one-step equations. In these next problems that we're going to look at, you'll notice that our first example here has two things that are preventing the x from being alone. There's a -10 and a +6 that we need to deal with. So two things preventing the variable from being alone, meaning you're going to have to take at least 2 steps to solve it. So we're still going to use our inverse operations. So we're using inverse operations to first isolate the x term. So remember, that term is the piece with the x in it. Keep in mind that our terms, and again, this was why Unit 3 was so very important for Unit 4 moving forward, because that term and those expressions, those combining of like terms, that all follows into this unit. We're going to continue using that stuff. So first, you're going to isolate the x term, and then you're going to continue as normal using those inverse operations to isolate the x. Do not forget to check your equation when you are finished. And just in case you don't remember how to check, I copied and pasted the steps to check from our previous lesson right here for you, so you have those. We'll go over those steps to check again when we actually do our first check.